Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel. I, of course, am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. And this is the place where I show you how to make fun, delicious cocktails that are simple. We go step by step so you can recreate them at home. Well, Memorial Day weekend is coming past and probably there were a whole lot of barbecues that were just flops. Maybe it was the rainy weather that everybody had, or maybe you didn't serve this cocktail. This is one that is bright, it's tasty, it screams summertime. So join me as we make today's cocktail, the Watermelon Cosmo. Let's get pouring. Now, few simple ingredients in this. We're using some orange liqueur, we're using some watermelon vodka, we are using fresh watermelon juice, some citrus, and a little bit of simple syrup. First off, we are going to put in 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Now, if your watermelon is super sweet, you may want to cut that back just a little bit. Next going in there, we have some freshly pressed watermelon juice. This is so delicious. It screams summer. We're going to put in there 1.5 ounces. Great color, great aroma. Next, we're going to put a little bit of lime juice in there. We're using freshly squeezed lime juice, 1/2 ounce. Fresh is best. It's going to brighten this cocktail up just a little bit more. Next step in there is our orange liqueur. You can use triple sec, you can use Cointreau, you can use Grand Marnier. Today, we're using even another option, and that is orange citronage. We're going to use in there 1/2 ounce. And finally, the star of the show, we are using Western Sun watermelon flavored vodka. This stuff is so good. And there's no seeds in it, so you don't have to spit anything out. We're going to use 2 ounces. And we pour that in there, and that is the last ingredient we need for this. Now what I want to do is ice this up. We're going to shake it down, get it nice and cold, because it is a summer cocktail. Get lots of ice in there. We don't want to dilute this a whole lot. The more ice you use, the less it's going to dilute. So let's give this a 10-second shake and make it nice and cold. When you start to feel some condensation on the metal on your shaker, that's how you know you're done. I don't know if you can see it, but we've got that all iced up. Now we're going to use a chilled martini glass, and we're going to pour. It is nice, it is cold, it is frosted, and we are pouring. Look at the color on that. It looks like a watermelon. It smells like a watermelon. Doesn't quite look like a watermelon yet. We need to do a little bit of garnishing. So we're going to take 1 watermelon cube, put that on a skewer, drop that on top. Now, it looks like a watermelon. Let's give this a taste and see how well we did. You serve cocktails like this, your friends will be flocking to your barbecues. It has got that wonderful, wonderful fresh watermelon taste that you can't replicate any other time of the year. You've got a little bit of orange in there, a little bit of sweet in there. This one is absolutely delicious. Cheers, everyone.